are picking by Eric Avery in my head again. Jane's on the radio, let it bend. Sharp issues taking off too much, sharpen the bit, steady the touch. One pass, two pass, damn three. That third one seals the destiny. Candid and it's talking through the static noise. Need less wood, more choice. Price tags vanish, tools don't lie. Too damn old for a DUI. Might just stay home, let the night burn slow. Green toolbox got the part I need though. Balls in the campfire bird kit. Keep it loud, yeah, keep it lit. People talk, then love bomb shit, but we still build, still don't quit. Balls in the campfire bird kit. Hands in dust, sparks still hit. From the shed to the fire pit, this one's real, yeah, this is it. Torch won't work, had to swap. Found a fix where the green box dropped. Torch the drum and look burned now. Hair like a caveman, man to say how. Says she can't watch me anymore. Sanded edges looking for the run. Epoxy edges gotta sit flat. Raw's golden graham snacks on a paper towel. Chad in the back playing right, left, left. Roll get heavy, wrist get stiff. Two cover songs, slow it down. Lube vacuum dust from the rafters now. 7 days off, white enemy. Drum shed coming, I can feel it breathe. Rouse in the campfire bird kit. Keep it loud, yeah, keep it lit. People pull you down and flip the script, but we still build, still don't quit. Rouse in the campfire bird kit. Hands of scars, sparks still spit. From the shed to the fire pit, this one's real, yeah, this is it. Daddy died where the dirt piles at. I still feel him when the work gets black. Bald eagle flying over the truck saying it's alright, that's enough. Verified in the wind and sky. Keep going, boy, don't ask why. Great campfire bird, 18. This one's for coming home.